Welcome back to our channel. Today we are discussing about two trading apps. When selecting an online brokerage for trading, it's essential to understand the features and services of platforms like TradeStation and Tastyworks. Here's a detailed comparison to help users make an informed decision. Account types. Both TradeStation and Tastyworks offer a variety of account types to suit different trading needs. TradeStation provides individual and joint brokerage accounts, retirement accounts, and trust accounts. Tastyworks offers individual and joint brokerage accounts, entity accounts, and trust accounts. Trading platforms. Both brokers offer robust trading platforms with tools designed for different types of traders. TradeStation features TradeStation 10, a desktop platform with advanced charting tools, customizable trading strategies, and a comprehensive suite of analysis tools. Tastyworks provides a user-friendly trading platform with a focus on options trading. Investment options. Both brokers offer a range of investment choices, but with different focuses. TradeStation allows trading in stocks, options, and cryptocurrencies. Tastyworks primarily focuses on options trading but also offers stocks, ETFs, and futures. Research and education. Both platforms provide extensive resources to help traders make informed decisions. TradeStation offers robust research tools, including market data, news, analysis, and powerful screeners. Tastyworks focuses on options education with resources like Tasty Trade, an educational network providing daily live shows, tutorials, and a wealth of videos on trading strategies. Customer service. Reliable customer support is essential for resolving issues and answering questions. TradeStation provides customer support via phone, email, and live chat during market hours. Tastyworks offers customer support via phone, email, and live chat. Mobile experience. A strong mobile app is vital for trading on the go. TradeStation, the mobile app includes comprehensive trading capabilities, real-time quotes, and advanced charting. Tastyworks, the mobile app offers a user-friendly interface with robust trading tools, real-time data, and charting capabilities. Promotions and bonuses. Introductory offers can add value for new traders. TradeStation often offers promotions such as cash bonuses for opening new accounts and meeting certain deposit thresholds. Tastyworks occasionally provides promotions like referral bonuses and free stock or options trades for new account holders. Target audience. Understanding the target audience helps in choosing the right platform. TradeStation appeals to advanced traders and active investors who require sophisticated tools, extensive research capabilities, and a wide range of investment options. Tastyworks targets options traders and those who value educational resources and a user-friendly platform. Conclusion. Both TradeStation and Tastyworks offer unique features tailored to different trading needs. TradeStation is ideal for advanced traders looking for comprehensive tools and a wide range of investment options, while Tastyworks stands out for its focus on options trading and educational resources. Evaluating individual trading preferences and goals is key to choosing the most suitable platform.